Hi guys, welcome to Mudraadhan Yoga. In this video, we'll be focusing on Madanki Mudra. Madanki Mudra is named after the Hindu goddess Matangi. It's used as a means of relieving tension, improving digestive function, nourishing the circulatory and lymphatic systems, relieving anxiety, and cultivating determination. Madanki Mudra can also help to strengthen the breathing impulse in the solar plexus, helping to restore energetic balance in this area. Now let's look at the steps to practice Madangi Mudra. Step 1. Bring your palms together at your navel center with fingers interlocked. Point both middle fingers up and place them together. Direct your breath to the belly area. Now let's look at the steps to Madangi Mudra once again. Bring your palms together at your navel center with the fingers interlocked. Point both middle fingers up and place them together. Direct your breath to the belly area. Now coming to the duration, this mudra can be practiced as often as required for at least 4 minutes at a time. For maximum benefits, practice Madangi Mudra 3 times per day. If you like this video, share it to others, those who are in need. Comment your doubts below and please subscribe to Mudraadhan Yoga. Thank you.